welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend Android the Chihuahua. Today we're going to be doing a really fun Starbucks pink drink knockoff. I found this recipe in a Facebook group called Cheat Meal Ideas. They have a lot of fun things there that I really want to try, and this was number one on the list because I love Starbucks drinks. They are delicious. I think everyone knows they are delicious, but they are also kind of pricey. So all of these ingredients cost us just under $10, and you could make a lot of drinks from this. This is a lot of liquid, considering a regular Starbucks drink is about $4 to $5. This is a great route to go. All right, so the first ingredient we have here is just a glass of ice, and then I have some freeze-dried strawberries. He doesn't eat freeze-dried strawberries, but he really enjoys smelling everything. So I'm just gonna top off our glass with some of these. Our next main ingredient here is this white cran strawberry by Ocean Spray, and they have a lot of different cranberries at the store, but the cran strawberry is the best one for this project. And I'm just gonna pour this until our glass is about halfway full. Our last ingredient is this coconut silk milk. I've never tried the coconut milk before, but it does sound like it would be perfect for this. Then we're just gonna finish topping off our glass. All right, our pink drink is looking pretty good. It just really needs to be stirred together, and I think I might have overfilled our glass by just a tidbit. And there you have it, a beautiful pink drink.